Hey, so the camera cut off, or the phone shut off. I'm not sure if it was because of the heat or time limit on the file size. I don't even know anyway. So, anyway, right now we are just in front of the Strat, or just before the Strat, and something new has been added. They're adding these arches. Now, of course, whenever you add something like this, there's always a little bit of controversy, and people will say, well, you know, why do we need this? How much did it cost? How much will it add to the overall area, if at all, and so on and so on. So, okay, there you go. Now, I thought there was one arch, but there are two arches. Okay, and it looks interesting to me. I mean, I don't know who decided, don't know the cost or whatever, but I guess something more decorative than anything else, just to say, hey, look, you know what, you guys, we're still trying to improve the area, sort of thing. So, okay, whatever, you know, so, you like it, don't like it, don't like it, okay? So, there you go. What was it? There was a science fiction show called, a sci-fi television series called Something, and it was based in St. Louis. Remember, the arch had a radio station inside it on that show. Anyway, it's a TV show called. Had a bunch of aliens living on Earth, and different people hated each other, love each other, and blah, 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 blah. It was interesting. So, anyway, close up of the arch. Okay, silver on the bottom, blue. All right, it goes up, 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 and voila. Now it's funny. The first airplane flight I ever took in my life was from Oakland to St. Louis, and I remember seeing the arch. Isn't that wild? And now I got my own arch. Well, not my own. I have an arch near me. Huh. Interesting. All right, so let's continue on our merry way to see what's happening up here and all that good stuff. Okay. All right, here we are at Alarmco, and let's see. How far do you want to go today, you guys? I mean, do we dare? And do we stop and get something to eat? Because as I mentioned earlier in the first part, if there's the first part, Vicky's Diner is shutting down tomorrow. And they have been around Vegas for like 56 years, which is a lot older than a whole lot of people. And so tomorrow is their last day. And so I imagine there'll probably be a brisk trade today and tomorrow. Get those last, bites in and so on and so on. Now I have never been there, but I have been by here, a lot of times, but I never stopped inside. I always thought about it, say I'll go there one day, I'll go there one day, I'll go there one day, I'll go there one day. So, I'm not sure why they're moving, because maybe the owner of the building says, hey, you know what, I'm going to revamp this place, y'all got to get out, or something. I don't know, but they're gone after tomorrow. So tomorrow being the 16th of August 2020, and I hope this goes up before then. All right, so there's our new IHOP right here, brand spanking new. And so Vicky's Diner is in this White Creek Marketplace. I'm sorry, White Cross Marketplace, and I don't recall this place ever being open, the market. I guess it was a supermarket before, a liquor shop. Well, it says beer, liquor, wine, 24 hours. And Vicky's Diner open 7 days a week. But there's always lots of interesting characters hanging out in the place. Now today you see the parking lot is full, right? Now this lot has never been like that since I've been running around here. Okay. Well, it's not full, there are a lot of cars there, a lot more than usual. And I've seen. So, and people waiting outside to get in. So, not me today. All right, you guys, full steam ahead. The neon lights are bright on downtown. They are, 'cause I can play this here guitar. And one thin dime won't even shine your shoes. We should run a GoFundMe and buy this topless cabaret. Just kidding. Just kidding. It's too hard, one of those places. Ugh. Back on the sidewalk. Now over here, big old sign says strippers. Wow, they clean this area up. So they are doing a lot of work on the streets, you know, and I guess trying to get things ready for when things do turn around, all the improvements that they've been wanting to do for a long time. I guess they're doing them now. So, you know. Well, I didn't plan on going this far today, but hey, why not? Like that Seinfeld episode when Kramer was in a used going to buy a car or something like that, and then the guy, they kept driving to see how far they could go with the gas in the car. It's the same thing, I guess. See how far we can go until I conk out, right? Oh, because originally I was gonna stop at Vicky's to eat, but I'm like waiting. So we'll just keep on going. No fuel. I had 2 pieces of bread, glasses of water this morning as my breakfast. It was this walnut raisin bread from the local market. It tastes pretty good. And I figured, why not? My God, they are tearing the street up. Jeez. I haven't been over for a while, you guys. Crap, the car behind me. I haven't been over for a while, and I didn't realize how much street work was going on. But there is a lot down here. You know? There's your adult superstore for the products you need. Now open. We're coming up to Charleston. It's coming up. How much time I got? Damn, no time. Huh, I made it. Whew. Oh, these guys are closed. This was a medical center. I never went inside though. Wolfson Medical Center. Huh. Wow. I'm gonna get married right here. I'm getting married in the morning. Ding dong, the bells are gonna shine. No, something like that. I don't know. All right. Oh, coming up on Pawn Stars, old Pawn Stars, and the person I write with in bad shape, and the what's this place called? The barbecue place. Tastes okay to me. Okay, no problem. I guess that pizza here also. Never tried it. Like I said before, I've never gone inside this shop, so you know, I don't know if it's good or bad. Okay. And then to the left in the corner of Garces and Las Vegas Boulevard is Rogue Toys. I just saw, what's my man's name? Sleepless in Las Vegas did a video on this guy a little bit ago. And everything else. And what is this right here? Oh, another Kana Stars. I guess another dispensary place. Huh. You have the sign saying Peep Show, but I guess the Peep Show is no more. So instead of getting charged up, you can relax. Sorry, but you know what I mean. Get your Aladdin bail bonds, get out of jail, tattoo parlor, the Wolf, I guess. Ooh, world famous tattoo, Wolfpack. Why does that sound familiar? Wolfpack. The Wolfpack. Why is that ringing a bell? It'll come to me. Oh, the Fusion Grill's open. Oh, I gotta check these guys out. The Fusion Grill. I like the name, you know? I wonder how it tastes. All right, you guys, so I'm not sure. Let me see. Where's the sun at? If I refuel, grub that is, I wonder. I wonder. I wonder. This video, I think I put in 2 parts, okay? I'm trying to divide them in half, I believe. Okay, okay. Do I want a donut? I don't know if I get any sugar right now. No, not really. Wolfpack, okay, got it. Oh, the brain still works. So, I told you before, I used to do a lot of running. I ran in like high school, junior college, university, masters, and blah, blah, blah. So, in junior college, we travel around and run around sporting events, whatever. Oh, the 100 meter, 200, yeah, whatever. Okay, so there was one team, I think it was Long Beach City College. They were called the Wolfpack. Man, that team was together. They come in chanting, Wolfpack, Wolfpack. My little ragtag team. All right, guys, let's go. Hey, all right, let's go. Where are you going tonight? Let's go. Big difference. That's funny. Really funny. They were good though. I don't think we ever beat them in the relays at all. We never did. They were really good. They had a strong team. All right, Wolfpack. I think that's the memory. But of course, this is 100 years ago, so hey, anything could have happened back then, right? Anything. All right, you guys, coming from downtown Las Vegas, heading near the Fremont Street Expedience. All these freaking cars. Well, I don't trust these cars today. Maybe I'm gun shy. I don't even know anymore. It's been like I mentioned earlier, there was this accident on the freeway. I guess 2 or 3 days ago, and crash, explosion. Thank you, man. Crash, explosion, ball of flame, the whole thing. All right, and then prior to that, there was an accident where these 2 young girls got killed. They were walking in the crosswalk, and this woman ran into them. And so this woman, everyday heroin user, this is her words in the court, smokes marijuana that day, drank some beer, and killed 2 young girls. She tried to get bail. The judge said, hell no. Well, he didn't say it like that, but I know his brain said, oh, hell no. You kill 2 young people like that? You don't need bail. You don't need bail at all. Anyway, I'm just talking. Okay, you guys, so. All right, here we are, Fremont Street. We're gonna cross, the red light, homeboy. Let's see, we're gonna cross here. Let me see. Oh, actually, I wanted to go through here. See, security kicks me out for riding a bicycle in this area. So it is early in the morning, and so nothing's really going on down here in the morning here in Vegas on the Fremont Street Experience. You can go to Denny's or whatever if you want. You probably got some boo-boo somewhere, get that early morning hair of the dog sort of thing. But aside from that, nothing's really going on. They got security manning the gates this morning. What's about 9:15 or so? Security's manning the gates to make sure that people don't do what they shouldn't be doing and so on, which is fine, I guess, So we're gonna swing past the Circa, I guess, and then get out of here. Okay, you guys? And there's Nacho Daddy, still one of the greatest names of a restaurant I've ever seen. Nacho Daddy. Excellent. What's the TV show? Maury Povich, The Maury Show. And he is Nacho Daddy. Haha, sorry. Anyway, funny show. Interesting show. Exciting show. I'm getting punchy, these long ass talks. Okay, all right. Sidewalk closed. Man, I can't read that sign. It says no smoking. All right. Whoa. Get a shot of some odoriferous items. Okay. There is Pizza Rock on the corner. Very popular place. And what is that? How much time is that? And you guys, I'm kind of wandering around right now, you guys. We will go by Circa and then call it a day. All right? All right. And there's the Circa. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. The Circa looking G00D. Looking really good. So now, all right, you guys, hey, check it out. So right now we are near the Circa, okay? There it is. There it is. Okay, here is a Garage Mahal. 9 stories, 900 plus slots for cars to park at. That's coming along nicely also. Connecting Garage Mahal to the Circa is our beautiful glass encased and air-conditioned bridge. Very nice. And this here's Circa right here. This gold trim color is called Las Vegas Gold. Someone told me that in the comments section. All right, you guys, I think that will just about do it for today, you guys. I want to thank you for joining me today on this nice little ride around from the Las Vegas sign to the Fremont Street experience. Like I always say, if you do see me outside, oh, here's a nice little piece of equipment. Oh, so Circa is due to open the first 5 floors, opening, for those who don't know, October 28th. It'll be the first 5 floors. That's the pool, the restaurants, and the bars. So I imagine, no matter what happens, if it does open, it's going to be a good crowd there, you know? I might show up. Hey, you never know, right? I might make it in that day. I make it down here that day. October 28th, mark your calendars. There we go, it's a better shot of everything. Here we go. All right, you guys, like I always say, see me outside, say hello back, take care, have a great day. Sayonara.